Norway to boost oil and gas production is expects record 2023 revenue. That's on the headline. But I want to work on the price prediction by Morgan Stanley. Oil prices will hit $100 next quarter. Okay? So of course we are in fourth quarter right now. So the next quarter means Q1, January, February, March. And typically they want to push the timeline further away so that their prediction will come through. Most likely, I think this year will hit 100 already. Cold winter season. And later on, I'll share with you some of the key pointers why it will break $100 easily, all right? So here we go. Oil prices will again rise to $100 per barrel, faster than previously estimated, Morgan Stanley said, lifting its price forecast for the first quarter 2023 to $100 from 95. Now that is what we call a nice prediction, nice round number, okay?